English together.
Shopping for clothes.
I can't wait to find the best outfit for the party.
I can't wait to find clothes that make me look like a model.
Ha, that's easy. You already look like a model.
Oh, you're so nice.
Hello, can I help you?
No, thank you. We're just looking.
Okay, tell me if you need help.
Thanks.
Hey, what do you think of this coat?
It's not my style. But it looks good for you.
Thanks, I will try it on. Excuse me,
Yes, how can I help?
do you have this coat in a small size?
Here you are.
Thanks. Can I try it on?
Sure, the fitting rooms are there.
Thank you. What do you think?
Wow, you look amazing. You will look so good at the party.
Thanks. You're the best. Excuse me, how much is it?
It's $30.
Great, I'll take it.
Did you find everything?
Yes, we did.
That will be $60.
Okay, here you go.
We bought so many things.
Yes, I can't wait to wear my new coat.
And I can't wait to wear my new dress. Let's go home and try them on.
Let's go.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.